In our busy lives, managing the food in our kitchen can be a challenge. Food waste is a growing concern, and eating healthy is always a priority. Introducing Fridge AI, your smart kitchen companion, designed to bring effortless organization and sustainability right to your fingertips. The moment you open the app, the home dashboard gives you an instant overview. See what's expiring soon, get an AI-suggested recipe based on those items, and track your health and sustainability goals at a glance. It's your kitchen's command center. Tap over to My Fridge for a real-time inventory. Every item is beautifully displayed, with clear, color-coded tags showing what's fresh and what needs your attention. Adding a new item is simple. Tap the plus button, and see the options to scan, take a photo, or add details manually. Let's add an apple. Simply type in the name, select the category, quantity, and its expiry date. With a quick tap on Save, the item is seamlessly added to your inventory, and you get instant confirmation. Your digital fridge is now perfectly in sync with your real one. Wondering what to cook? The Recipes tab is your personal chef. It intelligently suggests meals you can make with the ingredients you already have, prioritizing those that are expiring soon. Tap on a recipe to see a detailed view, highlighting the ingredients already in your fridge. Grocery planning is no longer a chore. The Shopping tab features an AI-powered suggested list, automatically adding items you're running low on. You can easily add them to your personal list, which is neatly organized by category to make your store visit faster than ever. Fridge AI is more than just an inventory app. It's your personal wellness coach. The Analytics Hub tracks your daily nutrition, helping you stay on top of your health goals. Switch to the Sustainability tab to see your positive impact, track the food waste you've reduced, your energy savings, and the CO2 you've saved. Finally, the Settings screen lets you manage your profile, connect your smart fridge, and customize your experience with features like dark mode and personalized notifications. Fridge AI by Puneri Pythons. Stop wasting, start living smarter.